Welcome to the third video in this series for the Freestyle3D and scene capturing software. Today we will take scans using the Freestyle3D. The first step is plugging the FARO Freestyle3D into your tablet or laptop. There are three ways to ensure the Freestyle3D is plugged in correctly. The first one is the light on the Freestyle3D will be blue. The second is a green color on the Calibrate tool within Scene Capture. The third is the message that displays on screen. When the device is connected, a message will prompt to perform a calibration. Open the options screen to change the range to 0.5 meters. Notice we are leaving the detect markers and the flash options in the off position. To begin scanning, press the Capture button on the back of the Freestyle3D. The image on the right side of the screen shows what the Freestyle3D is seeing. The left side of the screen is unable to see any information because the image distance is greater than 0.5 meters previously selected in the options menu. Note that two options can be changed while scanning with the Freestyle3D: the flash and the camera orientation. Clicking the flash option impacts the lighting on the right side of the screen. Flash isn't needed here, so switch it back to the off position. Camera options are also available on the right side of the screen to move to track mode, scanning mode, or a combination of the two. Click Stop on the scanner to exit the scanning screen and bring up scan data. Because the image was greater than 0.5 meters away, the scanner was unable to gather any data. The orange lines here show the scanning path, although no actual data was captured due to the reduced depth range. To fix that, go back to the Options menu and adjust depth range to 5 meters. Also, turn both the detect marker and the flash to the on position. Now, close the dialog box and restart the scanner. On the right side of the screen, see a large swath of yellow. This color shows what data is being collected. The areas with no yellow color are not being captured by the Freestyle3D, and so moving the Freestyle3D up and down or back and forth will help to highlight those areas. On the left side of the screen, a point cloud is created of the scanned area. Moving the Freestyle3D back and forth will help saturate the point cloud with more points to render greater detail of the image. If you move the scanner too quickly, the device will pause the image and provide notice. To continue scanning, move the Freestyle3D back towards interruption point and the scanning will automatically resume. Complete the scan by pressing Stop on the Freestyle3D. The scan screen will begin to automatically load the captured scans, saving them to the computer.